So this video covers the installation of the MTS Pro granular hydraulic controller. We're going to start by looking at the sensor. So the sensor has been installed by drilling and tapping the shaft as centered as possible. And here's a bracket that's kind of keeping the sensor from moving or rotating in the other direction. This gentleman here is the one who did this install, and he's got a fairly neat way of actually centering the drilling and tapping. He basically just uses a Sharpie to uh, runs the spreader, uses a Sharpie, and then keeps moving it towards the center until the Sharpie is just leaving a point. So the sensor's got a cable with a connector, and then we supply this 30-foot cable that goes from this connector all the way into the cab. This unit already has a 4 wire that's installed from the hydraulic valves to inside the cab, so they didn't have to do one. This is our 3 wire coming from the sensor. Here is the hydraulic controller. The blue and black is the conveyor solenoid, white and black is the spinner solenoid, and those, as you can see, are going back to the solenoids. We supply these connectors. So this customer actually built a bit of a harness so that they're actually using the buyer's existing wiring harness just to they disconnect that and put ours in. On the other side of the controller, we've got a 3 wire and a 3-pin connector that connects to the 3 wire, green to black, green to red, black to black, and white to blue. So that connects our sensor to the unit, and then we've got power coming into the unit. Red is ignition, black is ground. It already has a 5 amp fuse. 5 or 10 amps should be enough for this. And we don't want constant power, we only want ignition. So again, this customer's actually done it so that they're actually using the existing harness for this power as well. So instead of connecting to the buyers, this all torque controller is actually connecting to ours. The display itself is also ignition and ground only. So we've got 2 wires here, and those are also in this case spliced back into the same connection. We also have a lighter socket plug available for this if you're looking to keep the installation somewhat simple. We could actually use a lighter socket plug for this as well. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. Fairly straightforward install.